If you are watching tonight, I have a word from the scriptures that I want you to take into your heart. Maybe you feel weak, exhausted, or you genuinely believe that life has simply taken more from you than you can ever get back. I'm here to tell you that time and again, God has proven that pain and loss are not permanent. Let's start where many of us are, feeling completely depleted. Have you ever been so tired, not just physically, but deep in your soul, that you have no might left to carry on? The world tells you to push harder, to try harder, but God speaks a different word. He looks at your empty tank and says, He gives power to the weak, and to those who have no might, He increases strength. Think about that. Your weakness is the very invitation for His power. God steps in when you are at zero, freely giving you supernatural power and increasing your strength to more than you had before. But God doesn't just stop at giving you strength for today. He promises to fix the brokenness of yesterday and tomorrow. God is not just a healer. He is a restorer. He promises to return things you thought were gone forever, touching every area of your life. Let's talk about time and opportunity. Have you ever looked back at certain years and felt like they were completely wasted due to mistakes, sickness, grief, or bad choices? The prophet Joel saw a vision of life being destroyed by swarming locusts. They ate every green thing, leaving behind only barren land. God's miraculous promise in Joel 2:25 is, I will restore to you the years that the swarming locust has eaten. This is a promise that God can literally bring back the opportunities, the joy, and the blessings that those lost years consumed. He turns barrenness back into abundance. Next is the restoration of your soul and health. Sometimes the greatest damage is internal. Life wears down your inner peace, your joy, and your overall well-being. In Psalm 23, verse 3, the shepherd, the Lord promises, He restores my soul. He brings you back to a place of emotional balance, inner peace, and spiritual health. It rebuilds your core, and for physical and emotional wounds, He promises in Jeremiah 30, verse 17, For I will restore health to you, and your wounds I will heal. He cares about the pain you carry, seeing your body and mind as places that need His gentle, healing touch. If loss has touched your resources or your finances, God addresses that too. The story of Job saw a man lose everything, yet Job 42 verse 10 says, And the Lord restored the fortunes of Job, and the Lord gave Job twice as much as he had before. This is the promise of double blessing. God not only replaces what was lost, but actually multiplies it. This is further confirmed in Deuteronomy 30 verse 3. Then the Lord your God will restore your fortunes and have mercy on you. He replaces lack with abundance, all flowing from His immense mercy. God's work is never temporary. When He restores you, He makes sure the new structure is stronger and better than the old one. This is the ultimate renewal, a new foundation. You don't just get patched up, you get a complete internal upgrade. In Ezekiel 36, verse 26, God promises, And I will give you a new heart, and a new spirit I will put within you. He replaces the weary, hardened, or broken heart with a fresh, living, tender one, giving you a completely new spirit right at your deepest core. The Apostle Peter then sums up God's total commitment in 1 Peter 5, verse 10, saying that God will restore, confirm, strengthen, and establish you. This ensures you will never be shaken again. Every single promise, from healing a wound to restoring a lost year, points to a simple truth. God is still working toward your perfect, total restoration.
In the shadows, His love shines bright, a guiding star in the darkest night. With open arms, He holds me near. In His embrace, I have no fear. Through every trial, His grace I find, a love so pure, forever kind. He lives